Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will guide you how to create a template for a letterhead of your own so that you can reuse it in every of your later letters. With this in mind, open a blank Word document and come to Insert tab and then come to Pictures and this device and bring a logo of your own choice and then set the logo to this position and you can crop the logo even to another format, like I want to crop this to different shape, and the shape I take a circle. So this is your choice. You can put this into circle or you can keep the square form or any other. Then I come to Insert tab and I want to enter table. I select the table, I drag it to put it in front of this, and from here I try to minimize it, and then I enter a name of the letterhead. For example, I enter the name of my institute, Snowball. I enter ISLMAB, Snowball, Pakistan. You can enter any name you want. I select them and I come to Home tab. I change the color from this to blue, light blue, and I change the size to 14, and then I set them to center align, and this goes like this. I can further increase this to close this a little more. So I make this arrangement, I put things this way. Then I take the indent to this position and I add a name, Dr. XYZ. Then I add the designation, Professor of Physics. Then I add an email address like xyz at concerts.edu.pk, and then I select them to remove the paragraph space from here, and I remove the space to keep them enclosed by a line, separated by a line space, and I then come to Insert tab, and from the shapes, I take a line here, I click, I add the line, and arrange it like this, and similarly I take this to this end and I put this perfectly horizontal, and then being on the shape format I come to shape outline, and from here I want to increase the weight to 3 points. I can change the color from this to even let me put the red one is a little more visible. So I select this to adjust this exact to the end of the page. So I can even add a picture of my of my own or of anybody else. For example, if I want to add another picture, so I just come over here. I can add picture like this. Come to the border. I drag this and I put it this over here. So I add the picture, and then I select the picture and I adjust the size to desirable one, and okay, now I select this and put this to this option and I drag this over here and I further reduce the size so that it is visible at this position, and I can further reduce it. You can crop the picture if you want, but come to picture format and crop from here, so you can crop from without shapes or aspect ratio, but I don't do that. Now you can add any additional information either in this region or in this region, whatever you want to add. but I just want to save this as my template for my letterheads. So I come here to File, and then I come here to Save As, and then at this position I click More Options. And when I click on More Option, this window opens up, and from here is Save As Type. I come down and I select World Template, and keep on noting the address over here. When I click on World Templates, the position or the folder or the address bar changes, and it is saved in users, uh, the name of the account, and documents custom office template. So it is saved over here, and then I click save. Now this is my template which is saved. If now I open a new file, I click Control N to open a new file, and then I come here to File tab, and then I click here to More Templates, and then at this position I click Personal. And you see the template that I have saved appears here or at this position. So if I click this or this, the new document would automatically be open with my letterhead pad, and now I can write anything in this file, or I can save this file. So this way you can create your own template for a letterhead or for any other purposes that you can use in your letter document very easily. And then if you haven't subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button, and also hit the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.